I said that one.
I agree
My
with you,
mother.
honorable.
Wow, I agree to you, my brother. What's up? How you doing, Mr. Pussy?
I'm cool. He just they eat. That make me say my pick him up.
Okay, nice. I say in our problem for this industry. So they call the one come bound now, so that's what they give us headache.
My brother, if we not give the headache, they're not gonna get anything to talk about.
I tell you.
So maybe they give the headache, maybe they get things to talk about us from there. We don't know where they go talk and reach where go make the light shine on the EU industry.
You don't understand. The noise necessary. The noise necessary.
Very important. Me like calm. I don't like you. I like the noise. Because if everywhere calm, it go get the way it be. Not go be
everywhere calm. Nobody go know that they exist. So the noise, they make for the chukai for the industry, like what is going on there? What are these guys fighting over? For real.
Just be like, I dey watch you get one of your video where I watch this afternoon. And they watch the way you take the tackle them. They're not gonna understand. You all be say anything will not go well. Dead before arrival, as they come in the tackle. Not be when the thing don't born children. It don't born children, the thing don't worse before everybody go call the talk. I like that spirit. I like what you they do. But many people you become their enemy, they're not always like you. For what you they do based on that we in us, we Nigeria, we not like what you good. Who they fight for the betterness of us or for good thing for us, like we they against. And now it just be like cost to win Nigeria. But when I the watch, I was very happy. I they feel you, but I know say people not go feel you understand. But still on, keep doing it. My brother, the Lord is your strength.
Amen. And you too. I see what you guys are doing. I see what you guys are putting together. You are a comedian king of there's this chemistry between both of you. I saw what you guys are doing, baddest comedian, and I said a good thing. A very good thing. At least not be only artists they go to hear. That's why I say I breaking of bars. Because God bless only artists with they promote the comedian. If I say we not going to send them. Because they make many comedians now call they turn to artists that they leave comedy go now sing the code they sing.
Yeah. Many of them, it can't be like I said, the way Nigeria are confused. Many of us got confused because they do all of
and all of the music now rock.
You not true. My chama, I agree to you.
I mean, my fellow comedian, I know say the music that they sing now joke.
Really?
A joke, all of us.
The music that joke, eh?
All of them. All my niggas way don't sing come out. I think they say Wakology don't sing. From the pussy,
no, not sing.
From the pussy when I sing. From the one when Akbos for official I sent and manifesto to Babake.
Bro, everything will happen. You're wait one pussy this evening now. You're wait.
Everything where we sing now rubbish.
Now comedy king of bass. Now you there, abi?
Gabi, which one? I just like person want to collect person phone this night. See your shit. Maybe I give you peace to join and make you complete.
No, Baba, we not do all those at all.
We know they do them, bro, but pay yourself, join.
What fair hear this one and comment. Hear this one.
Maybe you say the rest of my news courses.
People who can listen, this one and comment that keep up.
Comedy skits, but my stand up
comedy skits. Not to better listen.
Money they go borrow they do Christmas and New Year. They say they draw me. I never pay. And 2 days ago they still come and say, okay, I back my grandma go back and say. And school will soon resume.
Most start to give it for understand. Mona listen.
Maybe you say you never see my news courses. Not that I maybe the first.
Go share this video. Share this video.
For that way to move. So I tell you, I never pay my house rent for like 3 months. Then my landlady they disturb me. They run the hide. I never get food stuff for us at all. They never pay me for 4 months. Money they go borrow. They do Christmas and New Year. They say they draw me. I never pay. And 2 days ago they still come and say, okay, I back my grandma go back and say. And school will still resume. We need money to pay the base school fees. And how you want to do, just try maybe. If you see this message, try maybe get back to me. They're very important.
God bless you. Thanks for the love and support.
You want to please others and displease us. And they never leave.
Don't worry yourself.
No, but
You want to please others and displease us. And they never leave.
My brother.
No, let me fuck up.
Thanks very much, bro.
Pussy
God
not
bless,
there.
God bless everybody, man. Gabi, thanks.
Pussy not there, bros. Pussy not there.
Pussy.
Blessing MCJ money on it.
No, it's my YouTube.
They on YouTube.
Yeah.
But I'm not
You
seeing
know, you click this thing to see all videos.
Yeah, now which I click so, but I'm not seeing.
No, official
I'm
for
talking about this small comedy skit. This small comedy skit, so
yeah.
The guy they call you na Akpakoshibo knock you
bros, you know, say person no shit finish, you know the tank in yash.
Yeah.
I don't know the motive where that babe take show, but when I see the girl problem, now I say now only God now go fear palm, not be me.
I swear, the problem was too much.
I dey test you, bro. Now I just tell her say make she leave her for God, or make she not worry herself.
I tell you, God will solve the whole wahala by himself.
I dey test you, bro. Gabi, I appreciate, man. God bless you. Thanks for the support, man. God bless everybody watching, you know. You know, everybody they pray may rain fall for their village. That's why they always tell people when they believe, say like, this our father.
But bros, really, I don't see this your pussy. I see how to go. I think we shall go eat a rat point Z, but put not there. But today, MCJ Money. MCJ Money, give me your YouTube name. MCJ Money, right? MCJ Money. Did you hear me, bros? Hello, Commander King of Bass. Okay, don't come out. Sorry, I just say sit there. May I bring them back? But our brother's song just dropped. Our brother's song just dropped. Chris Osiba will bring you live. Make more people first join first. You brand the building. How you doing, my brother? I hope you're good. Welcome to the King of Bass. Commander King of Bass. Try me to come back. Ladies and gentlemen, meanwhile, why would they wait for Commander King of Bass? More quickly play this one. This one now comedy song go me on not mind say that they not get respect for the word pussy. They said they sued them for mind. They sued them for mind. So now comedy, any word that you hear here, this is plus 18. Any word that you hear here, don't take it too personal. Now normal thing. If you be woman, don't feel offended. If you be man, don't feel too happy about it. You know understand? It's just a normal thing. You understand? So enjoy. This is Comedian King of Bass, Pussy Fishery, MCJ Money. Enjoy. Let's go.
Okay now. Let's go down.
I'm Joe's on the beat.
Now comedy where that music this one.
Pussy, pussy, pussy. Pussy. I'll be there for pussy. I go do anything for pussy. Without pussy, pussy. No MCJ Money, pussy. Without pussy, pussy. No Comedian King of Bass. Wow. Without pussy, no Kwaja man, pussy. Pussy, pussy, pussy. I feel that for pussy. Pussy, pussy, pussy. It make me go crazy. Pussy, pussy, pussy. Pussy, 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 pussy. I come out. Pussy, I come out from pussy. Everybody come out from pussy. No matter who you be, oh, now pussy you for come out. What do you do? Pussy, pussy, pussy. love pussy. I suck pussy. I eat pussy. Pussy is better off than any other food. Oh, walk on, pussy, yo.
Let God know, Mr. Gabby in the building, ladies and gentlemen. Wickedness in our DNA.
Pussy, you too sweet, oh pussy. Pussy, you be best forever, pussy. Obasanjo, where you come from, pussy. Basket match, where you come from, pussy. Ogabo, tell me where you come from, pussy. Ajo Diaz, where you come from, pussy.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Comedian King of Bass and MC J Money. Pussy, ladies and gentlemen. Those of you don't know what they call pussy, they call Bekus. Bekus. Understand? The fact is, man, Bekus is marvelous, Bekus is lovely. Me I be father right now, Bekus make it happen. Me I even call life now, Bekus make it happen. But Papa must be the Bekus for anything to happen. You understand? So for those that understand the code, this is for them. MCJ, official MCJ Money, Ikioja, my YouTube name. Okay, but I got it from another YouTube. Already. Ladies and gentlemen, I go share this video. This is not Mr. Gabby. I know say anytime when we come live, it's fun and it's enjoyable and it's educative at the same time. We always come live on the trash matter. If we come live, as we come live today, so I'm gonna put eye for the good things they come. We must trash issue. What till we talk remains day for yesterday, we go see talk out today. But meanwhile, I'm going enjoy our music. I'm going enjoy MCJ Money, even you say you not fit come live. What's happen now? Me one of them come live. Today na comedian day. Before we come to artists, I'm gonna go share this video. I'm gonna invite our friends to join us. I don't say today not my day. Normally, tomorrow might be my day from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. But right now, our brother dropped his song. Chris Osiba, yeah, now we drop his song and with the help of promoter. Our brother is in the building, MCJ Money. Am I right?
Yeah, I agree to you, Honorable.
Confirm. Yes, Comedian King of Bass. So we were talking and the team went off. What happened? Before run down.
Before he get call for the line.
Okay. Nice. I say we talk about pussy. What's up? What you think about pussy? What was the inspiration behind pussy?
Yes, like the music pussy, the inspiration. The music, it just be like that day. I come Comedian King of Bass. I just say, man, go visit and that period, it showed they come up. As it showed they come up, it's just like MCJ Money. What do we want to do? Go viral because we need people for that show. You understand? Now, like me, like I say, I don't know what we fit do. So as we just sit down, it comes the like.
Wait, hold on. King Joseph introduced the beauty. He said, "Happy I made it to your life today, and thanks for the invite. I'm honored, my big G." Insane, blessed up, my brother. We appreciate that you are here with us. Please, kindly help us to share this video. God bless you. So, my brother, carry on.
Yeah, I ain't call like he get idea of something to do. He say he get idea of music, as in may we do music, but he don't know how the thing won't go about. You understand? Because they like ask some opinion of the idea, whether I get any idea. Now just like I see that period, I reason. Many music they go viral. I call say tell and say this pussy. I say nobody don't use anything like pussy to sing. So I say may we try them. So the thing can just be like say we just our spirit can just come together and say this thing go viral.
Yeah.
Now it's okay. We not be artists. Okay, we don't get idea of what we want sing now. How we want go about that. Now like okay, may we call Abjos. As we call Abjos just let us know say get one beat for grand. May we come. We not rehearse. We not plan now. So we just say go studio. Abjos don't put beat. He just say me now the mic face me. Anything will come out from my mind, my begin sing. And the only thing that moment will come out from my mind now pussy. Now so that song just to come about. We not rehearse, we not plan now, we not do anything as in. It just be as we just read studio, the spirit just enter both of us. And only that day now we just stay like do that music. And we not even give the producer problem. Say we not rehearse. Say the thing just go where as in everything just blend. Now the I just tell us say this music go far.
Wow.
You understand? That music till tomorrow it just
The
be like
title alone,
magic.
the title alone will make them go far. For people, now people the pretend they hate, now they like.
For real, especially our
People the
people.
pretend they hate, now they like, bros. All of them go to click on for Facebook and real life. They call the tackle you, but behind it, all of them go to look up.
Yeah, that is true. Because you get what our people they do. Anything positivity for the social media, they not they encourage and now negativity, neither they encourage. And I make somebody like me, not be say I don't know what they right or they wrong. Because many of them they criticize my post, but at the end of the day, now waiting that they like, just as you talk out.
Yeah,
Waiting they like, neither they say they hate. You understand?
People see post tomorrow, so don't go there, go look at.
For real, it just be like this girl now, because this girl now one of the girl when they follow where this Ize Ugbedi. That girl before, some years ago, that girl don't preach for live video. Nobody follow her. But when he carry her, make her or that will confront, everybody follow her.
Wow.
You understand? So that makes some of my kind of things, not that they promote negativity, but some of my kind of things are just like, I be comedian, I want trend, I want the relevant. So and I waiting they want, I'm ready to the give them any way they want it one time.
So this song Pussy, did it give you that relevance that you were looking for?
Yeah, yes.
Because many people can't know you with the song.
Yeah, because when he make this song called Even Treat Myself, at was Don Jazzy. Don Jazzy shared this song.
Really? Massive, eh?
Really, Don Jazzy shared Pussy. To
Wow.
the head note too, before they come for bring to the head note page down.
Ah, the
We don't
former
do
one.
comedy. Yes, we don't do comedy skit on the good day a day with King Obas, with one of our comedian, one of our friends, Moody Precious. We call to the head note, make he promote our work. We even charge us money. We say we go pay. I not agree promoter. The way Pussy come out, we surprised to see her for both to the Nord War, Don Jazzy War, Parara War that period. I seen it was massive that particular period.
Wow. Wow. That was a big one. That was a big one.
Yeah.
So, do you guys have plans to continue with stuff like that?
Yes. But waiting would always tell people we are comedians. We are not artists.
Yeah, that music now, comic music.
Yes. We get
What
plans.
they ask now, do you guys have any plan to continue along that line?
Yes. We get plans.
It's very necessary, you know?
Yeah, we get plans. We get plans to continue. Or anytime from now, the second one will come out.
Okay.
Yeah, the second one will come out.
So on a comedy, as I see you on King Obas, you do like on the advice people as some of the skits. When you catch my attention, remember I said, man, you come out. We carry you home. With me, your plan for you. You did.
Okay.
But that one you carry phone, when they talk to the girl, now they want to pay action for person.
Yeah.
I shall go this one that Obas because so that they do. You don't come out because they clear the air. But I don't know why not they see the videos.
Maybe you say you never see my missed calls since. Not just that make me the verse. When we said they try to tell you for that call, you say you miss, so this and I tell you. You have been my husband for like 3 months. Then the landlady they disturb me, they run, they hide. And then you get full stop for us.
What you talk?
E page now you official all those video comedy King Obas.
Yes, now King Obas official, abi?
No, comedy King Obas. E page name comedy King Obas.
First page.
Yes,
you know the YouTube, eh?
No, all those ones never the YouTube. Those ones what we they do never the YouTube. We not put them for YouTube.
Ah, okay. No problem. I check it that with you and then.
Yeah, they did. Yeah.
My people, when I post go share this video. When I know what we'll get talk. Before you go, Baba, me I go ask you 1 or 2 questions about this award matter for grant. So
Okay, okay.
You get some insight inside the award, Abi?
Yeah.
Okay, we need to talk about that small.
Okay.
Because you say if you want to do something, we do it well.
For real, very important.
Anyway, I know Christian. So what I want to talk about this one? Say, I like that kind of stuff.
Okay.
Now you guys bring up a topic, the way you have to form for now. Now you just start to give boy money, I travel, your life will not be this or that one. The about now so that they talk, another chop you get money finish. Now we money not come again, you know. And very good advice, you know, very good advice. So I wish that you guys could continue it. And I will drop at least one every week on a specific day. But it will become a massive trend, you know.
Yeah. Like for that particular aspect, with the continuer, because we even shoot some today. We shoot some today. We'll be like say from 3 days time to come now. We go begin updates. Update them.
Confirm. It makes sense. So no problem. Now before you go, I said I was going to ask you a question.
Okay.
I just say for this industry with this soon, now all of us now get down.
Yeah.
Maybe one person property.
At all.
The industry just young. It just the grow they come.
Yeah.
It goes anything one they do more they do and well so that we go set down good precedent. So that the thing it come be say we go enjoy that in the future. Not be say we can't live and make sure people come abuse them, misuse them.
Yeah.
They will constantly complain like Nigeria, like the way Nigerians they complain for Nigeria government. As the matter of corruption, you're the enter, we could your kill them.
Yeah.
Now concerning this Aproko issue, Aproko now faceless person. Nobody know who be Aproko.
Yeah.
The only thing I know that people who work with Aproko as the lioness now they are chairlady.
Okay.
Morris, I'm not Des Morris they call that one. That one, they part of her. And so many others, so this person don't know. Because what make people they talk this matter, I suppose don't forget about them. But since yesterday, some unknown faces when they attack me, you know, they come my comment sessions when they attack me with unknown faces. I say, now
onto which level?
No, because they are there to talk about the award. Because
that one not be award now. That one our way.
No, bros, get what you play for say the award. Maybe some people like say they nominate for the award, carry come meet me. You understand? They say they use money to vote for the award. But the major thing where they concern it, they say they don't know who organized the award. They don't know who they put money for the accounts now. Who collect the money for the account where they say that they vote enter, all are faceless. Yeah. Now they don't do award. Everything people say you got you for wait. Me award for finish. Now say no. We start to the talk now. Now award don't finish. Now what happens next? This people will collect money. Who they be? How they go to benefit the industry? Nothing. For me, I say this one a confirmed fraud in the name of award.
No.
That confirmed fraud because normally, if they do award, they're supposed to know the face of the person they organize that. Most people don't involve money. So that at the end of the day, the people be like say, man, win the award, something will come back to them.
Yeah.
You understand? So because I don't get right to talk about them. Understand? They attack me, BK attack me, not be small. I say they are Aproko. Understand? So the matter now, since yesterday, God did not let me rest. They go open fake account, say they attack me. Now, okay, no problem. This matter, I will just talk and finish. No, we'll nail once and for all.
Yeah.
On a special day, me I'll just do live video. Whenever you see day like this, we will talk about them. But get one question I want to ask you, bros. This fight, me and the fight, so now bad fight.
No, to me, the fight where you dey fight, na very good fight. In the sense that for this industry where we did, so it gets some kind of things where they go on, where we allow from the beginning. You understand? Like this fight where you they fight, so me support them 100%. You understand? Because to me, what if they want cause some problem between you and the Aproko really? not really say because of your matter. Now those people will be like say the matter involved there for the group. They not fit tackle la where they call carry and call your table because you not dey the group. Me dey the group. I dey the group. When this matter the first they said, if you look out for the group, I believe say the award. If they go check my vote, it go be 0. I not participate. I not involve anybody because I always doubt the credibility of the award. Now make me I not participate because I don't want tomorrow person go call me say where for go vote now so they trace now for there they begin siphon money or I don't just want anything. That make me my family call me, people call me say they want participate with the link. I just get the way I just turn them because I don't want. I just come sit down now they watch them and see how it go be. If now waiting tomorrow it go better for everybody, I will always support them.
Of course.
But if now fraud say waiting go bring problem tomorrow, I know they support anything like that. You understand? So the fight where you they fight, not be bad fight, but now to people where you understand. It just be like when you not where you they, for the first video I watch where you they make reference to Showore. If you lose Showore today, now the same people where they fight for. Now the enemy they use.
Now they fight back. Of course.
You understand? Now so it's still a beat to you. You see all those people where they use fake account, everything they attack you. Now that you they fight for a bet, now them now they fight against what you they fight for.
Your friend,
of course, I know. I know. Me, I know. Me, I know. But one thing we be say give me job, say they are not there. If now men they are not men enough. If now woman they are not woman enough. I mean, if you want to talk to me, you should come out openly and talk. Like the women I talk, so they come out openly to talk. I don't go they hide behind some unknown faces come to the attack for inbox or via for comment section.
Yeah.
Because you get what me and they see actually. You see this award matter, eh? If it becomes something we say it would yield enough money for the industry. Like if they do well, like what you propose starts not a very good thing, but if they go register them for Europe here, can't do away, can't be so now Europe Entertainment Industry Award.
Yeah.
They can't they want to leave vote like they can't vote something like her. Maybe they vote through their recharge card. Before you know, we'll make a whole lot of money. When beside the end of the show, after the expenditures, everything, they'll see reasonable amount of money take home. Then they go see someone that will give back to those artists as kind of compensation for winning award. Those are the ginger artists to the do more.
To work hard.
What you mean? The same we do all right. Okay, now the way we don't do on someone now we don't miss them. But next award where they come, there must be a representative of Aproko. When we say we know, say okay, now these people they run Aproko. For the award, I'm not talking about the blood. They can keep their blood secret for life, not concern blood. But we're talking about award. Most of it an honorary merit award now, no problem. But award where money don't enter.
Money don't involve, You
know, people they like. I don't think they follow. They do something. Say they follow do something. Say I don't know who you be, but my money they enter your hand. That fraud be that. That fraud be that. You understand? Some people say, "No, leave man, not talking about their business. They contribute a lot. Yes, they contribute a lot. That is in the blogging. If they want to make money through their blog, let them make money through their blog. Let me say you come from our world, can channel the money go some no quarter. It's not going to be allowed. We're not going to let them stand for this industry. Because that one our money, now from this industry, that money for money. We're supposed to know the best way they go in hand, one chop hand, then those will come back to the people who be saying we. You know? So now the team be there, bro. I greet you.
Yeah, I greet you special. I like what you they do. Keep on the good work.
Thank you very much.
People always discourage you, but not bad discourage, not relent.
Thank
you understand?
Thank you.
We do your back.
That's why they be the days of agony in Africa. As was stand and gone.
I tell you.
That's why they be, bro. We appreciate, man.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. God bless you, honorable. God bless you.
I just the one make up comedians who did the Europe side. You know one thing in life, anything where you sabi do well, it better pass. Say you sabi do 20 things small. Because that one where you for them more professional, they go quick recognize you for that one. Because the industry, I see confusion, I see frustration, I see tiredness, I see gossiping in so many people who make another move. Bros like me, music we person don't first sing. Me, I don't know how to sing a move. As in not be say I don't know how to sing, like I know if you just chop the full lyrics finish. You understand? If some lyrics even resemble Benin language, I just sing and pass, they carry on the music, they go like that. You know one thing about this life, bro, like me.
Wait, bro. Somebody's asking, say, can I get the link to this project? Isendo, which project are you talking about? Are you talking about the pussy? Are you interested in some pussy? Bright was, I greet you. Oh yeah, bros, carry on.
You know, bro, one thing I understand, like me, I be somebody where I watch stand-up comedians, American comedians, different countries, Nigeria, because now waiting I like, and I don't already see I'm saying, man, for the
Jahon stay in the
full,
building, Ruson.
for the full Nigeria, I never see any comedian where they sing. Like Akpororo has been a Christian.
The deal, bro.
Bro, don't worry, man.
One never single basket man.
Bro, don't worry, bro. And if I tell you the one where you know, when I know, I go tell you where they start. Maleke, they sing for church. He was living in where this my cousin they live in Geogida.
Yeah.
You understand? He started.
Ogida, I know. I seen that my area, and I'm from Ogida. I know, not that time.
Yeah, because I get cousins for that. When they come greet them, must spawn. He did Germany now, and my cousin be that. So he started the cigar. He started the doing from church, bros. How many comedians you know where they sing?
Are we for Nigeria?
No, everybody na musician and comedian. Even when
everybody a musician, you that musician.
I be politician. I will be magician tomorrow.
You be politician, you. Now PDP and APC you they do, I don't understand.
No, bro, I'm a freedom fighter.
I say PDP and APC what do you make you support APC that time? Why?
Yeah, bro, understand one thing about life, busy man. Everybody not feel sleep, carry head, go one side.
You believe Oshomole at that time? That's how they support them. I be some money pass.
No, bro, I not believe Oshomole. I believe he's there, Yamu.
Okay.
Because now I they support. You know one thing about life, bro.
I like his there, Yamu, but the way got a switch from PDP to APC, what I know you like about that. Not be better comrade. Not be better soldier.
Bro,
if you better soldier, you go stick with your party to the end. You know. You see America. You see, I'm saying, no, they cross carpet from Republican to Democrat, from Democrat. All of them stick with their party.
Bro, people say Obaseki self believe himself. People still relax for that party.
No. They don't agree. They don't give Obaseki always understandable. They don't give her any.
Bro,
they don't give Obaseki a chance at all. There was no fair play.
Bro, I explain something.
With a certificate. Later they say, okay, this one. So there was no fair play. Obaseki and they drive back more for the party, not being common.
Yeah, bro. I'll give you explanation about that, bro. Ever since the election passed away, you they see me talk about election.
No,
everything
pass. Where's the rock
there is a season for everything. You know understand? The most important thing is that place where me and you for come. Now the betterment of that state. Now we need.
Now all of us define.
Obaseki did there, Ize Yamu did there, any other person did there. The most important thing are may they give our people good health care, security, infrastructure, good road, lights. So now that same thing me I used to fight for. You understand? So for the Europe industry, I know say now waiting go well, but just that we get tired people. Like some people they frustrated people. People will not even know what to be entertainment. He just believes say get 200 euro or 500 euro if he call up Joe say one can call for your mind. You understand? There is no perfection in humanity, bros. Anything worth doing is worth doing well.
Of course.
If an artist you won't be deliver for us. Some people go to verse say, "Oh, boss, you know, share man." And then they share with you and don't like. You don't see the buy with you don't like for market
at all.
I know they share them because you be my friend. Like me for this industry, I don't get problem with anybody. The only person when I get problem with now GJ. And the problem with me and GJ get not be waiting I fit talk online, but the day when I go see a one-on-one. I go hold on for one that will cure her like normal junior sister. Not before fight, violence.
Federal man full of shows in the building.
Which federal man? You know, say this country now people know people take the climb man.
No, this one I read, this one I federal man, this one I read federal man.
Which are the one with them now?
Yeah.
My dude, senior man, I greet you, Epa.
Good evening, sir.
Gabi, I appreciate you, bro. God bless.
Thank you very
You know
much. God bless
I
you.
don't
God
say
bless
I
you.
go call my papa for Jamie. There will be name again. This one our father. Tony Hare.
Okay, yeah.
Because the thing for the industry, I'll pour my kidney come out because maybe the stagnate the comedy issue. You know understand? Believe in me,
With the sideline.
comedian for this European musician, it be like a romantic snap and cola nut if you dey go put in for wife.
Yeah.
We are romantic snap for Sudan, cola nut must stay there.
Normal level.
Do you understand? Because if me I not own microphone, make I coordinate the audience to introduce you in as an artist, you know go get better place to perform.
Don't be lying.
If DJ not dey well stable to push your track, give you the way you take arrange and give am. At the end of the day, bros, take it or leave it. If three of us did that say comedian, musician, DJ, one person fuck up go rob everybody. You know, see how that DJ they play anyhow. Oh, but leave them, me all of them are you entertainment, both the musician and the comedian, all useless. You understand? So that's why any side where you hold for this entertainment, hold on strong. At the end of every tunnel, there is always a light.
Define yourself every day. Do your best in it. If you know say if you do 2, do 3, make sure say you do it well. Now what matter be that, you know.
You don't understand, bro. Like me now they get joy for so many artists for this time. Like Two Tigers, like Don VS, like Axlo, I Sense. I see many like that. Sorry for the ones who are not fit call their name. But me, who they cry, they see rude. And bro, as you did this platform, aside entertainment artist where you be, the love where you they show people. Not be everybody go fit do am. You understand? Because we they get one mindset for each other. I believe say if you grow for this entertainment, I go grow. Because anything will make your big body everywhere. Where this guy for come on to but now Germany. Best you cost you look onto another artist for Germany or Italy.
Of course.
Now somebody must break the yoke.
And
you understand?
Just one person we need to break, and just one person.
Yeah. You know the story.
It don't matter who the person be, which country for come out.
My brother, even though my person, bros, you never see her swear papa for born 10 children and last born I carry glory on the house.
I tell you. Greetings, my brother. Stone Baba, they give you greetings for you. Greetings to the kingdom. Greetings, everybody.
Stone Baba,
we greet you, the Stone Baba.
The only superstar we spray beer with 5,000 euro.
I tell you,
he loses after he does spray beer.
Stone Baba, not be superstar, now Superstone.
And they tell you, Superstone Baba, those one. If Stone Baba be like me, now Baba just arrange one time, go just come out, you just tell everybody, man, you come out online 3 days. You know, yeah. No matter the commentary you will drop, Baba no go reply. The next reply where you go hear from Baba, you don't do one track.
I said it's in the building. Greetings, everyone. Greetings, my brother. We greet you. Hi, everybody. Hi, the family. Ladies and gentlemen, I said, I
beg any single money where you they make for this your track. Oh yeah, talk. Oh yeah, chop. My brother, every single money you they make for that track, just they bring my own, they come. Maybe you know guess
anybody happy birthday, bro. Stand up comedy. Word full my mouth, the way mosquito full prison. Which I even know say yes, by the special grace of God.
Now mosquito full, bro. Don't be go prison.
I tell you why I even the beg God say yes on a very good day. He get the kind of comedians when I won't follow stand because I know say yes, everybody they try for their feed, but if you want to do a word, if you don't understand the game, you will call people where they more enlightened. You understand? Then would they see online comedian? Would they see stand-up comedian? Where if you face people for normal life, it go make them laugh.
Yeah.
Would they see acting comedian? Would they see best comedy skit of the year? You go make us know the category when you they put us. Bro, like me, I dey talk not because we do online here. I don't see where Baba K for the anchor show as a MC. I not go fit. Yeah, I not go fit do am like him.
I did trip for him. Even one of my brother I give for Bologna.
Bale, they greet you. Esna, they greet you. Say King of Bass, Father, thanks for everything. I don't know what you do for Ramo, but they appreciate you.
Man, loyalty, man. Greetings. It
Big
be like
up,
one.
Esna, the building, ladies and gentlemen.
It be like one of my bro. It be like one of my brother. It be like one of my brother again, Don Ziggy, for Bologna.
Yeah. That MC too. I know him.
I don't deal with Don Ziggy. When Don Ziggy the anchor big show comes out, which and Babake to a trip for them. But for stand-up comedy, you know, if you just come out, it gets 2 boys. They meet me up for Torino here. I swear. I don't want to mention it. They meet me up, say, Baba, will be comedian. Oh. Baba, we don't hear your name. We don't come to town. We like to work with you. Which me, are they happy? Say yes. May we many for the game.
Of course.
I believe no comedian don't come close to me where I never touch. From Happiness to Young Senator, from Young Senator to all them Pharaoh like MC Gold, what's he be name? I don't Dr. Good. I don't work with all of them. Which they know.
What about Dr. Good?
Yes, now Dr. Good. All those when me.
What about the guy? I never hear from him for a very long time.
Yeah, bro. You know, the one thing about John, everybody get the way that they do that. Even me, I swear, I never know where about the guy for the now. You understand? So, but I just pray anywhere when it they making day okay. But I know, say for the industry, I get the heart of supporting anybody in any way. If things still get the way it be, the people close to Ram, which is the chop money, the Pharaoh and the rest, they go still bring the updates. Anywhere we feel still scratch each other back, we go run up. You understand? So I don't fix all of them for sure. I know they look anybody like upcoming. If they come and show, say if my hotel they put them.
Wow, that's
you understand? Because you know what I understand for this entertainment, bro. Tomorrow they conceive, nobody know what they go born.
At all. This is it.
Who see somebody like Don VS? Don VS na person where don't beg me say King of Bass, I won't perform for your show because I carry Uyi City. If follow Uyi City come the show. Now I make understand say, bro, I don't already run budgets of money. Oh. You understand? But if I want to do the show again next year, I go put you. Before me do the show again, I ain't singing when way everywhere blue.
I swear.
But that same Don VS don't come and show.
I want to perform for show, then chance support them for him.
You understand? But at the end of the day, in and Uyi City can gather enter stage, they can gather perform one track what they do together before. The other year when I want to do a night with King of Bass, 9 hits that in Winnipeg. Then that same Don VS don't perform for a night with King of Bass 3 times. Now only once now Uyi City don't perform. Now so the entertainment been a grace because everybody want to with who they on top.
Of course, who people the crack, bro. When it comes to
you feel me so. Yeah. Bro, as I did this Torino, so we did lockdown. And they use and not chest. I not be the only comedian when they. But no comedian go get my carry 4,000 come out. They do show for this city when I did. If not be King of Bass. With the help of my nigga Ukwa Entertainment.
Wow.
And my fellow comedian here, MC J Money. We must put her together. And we never do one day, maybe we go as go they cry. Not be because of the joke. Not the way from the past.
For Bass, if coronavirus don't finish, me I must do there. Sure, man.
No, Baba, you know the story now. Baba, if coronavirus finish today, they say we should do.
That's now they say King of Bass, they help people, but you know they make noise. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, man. God bless. You know, understand, bro. So I like me now.
They give you kudos, say maybe they help people, but you know they make noise. So God bless you.
No, a lawyer. I only tell you now, say for this industry, person with me and I get problem. Now only GJ. Because our big daddy give us shit. Our big daddy give us shit.
Go feed DJ because DJ na my baby girl with that, you know.
No, I said the way you dey post DJ every day, I can't find engagement ring for you. I know that you don't finally engage them. Yeah. They're not no black fowl for soup. All guys like that.
Yeah, I don't marry now. DJ for marry. I love her.
No, GJ na very free person. But just that sometimes the other people say the sacra, but I'm normal. Do you understand? For this entertainment, me and they get all possibilities. Say, man, everything go do well because you know why? I don't do that. I started to do that a night with King of Bass since 2012.
Beston say, what did King of Bass do? So they could have let us know. Beston say King of Bass don't really try. Now for comments, yeah, be for the help, what they help now. But my person they say they share the money. Share reach my side now. I need that more baby food deal. I need to buy baby food.
Gabi, the way they talk about baby food, it can't be like say me never born. We on a born boy, so you understand, bro?
Look why they really run to Reno where confirm that's EU loaded.
You understand, so like me now, I be comedian. I even be comedian when it be say I know if you can't. I get many comedians when I they call. I'll say you be musician, you be comedian. If you get good content, call Lukwa. If you get help and you like your content, now guy will get big hearts. Like me, I don't get support from everybody for this entertainment. At TTY to iSense to Ukwa. Likewise, they does still get 1 or 2 from me.
I said they be some go help
you support
together, you know.
You understand? Even like me now, when I go Abjo studio, say, God, I just tired, my page they go down. I want to do one useless, stupid, frustrated music. He say, how you want it? I say, Baba, now all around pussy. The money when he collect from me, if I really be artist, he creates that kind of beat for me. He no collect that kind of money because the money too small. So I not go say I never get a favor from somewhere. You understand?
Yeah.
All favor na favor. Like Baba K now, they don't carry me for show for Denmark. I reach the hall. I see and say they never arrange chair where I start to the arrange table with them.
Of course.
Because the money when anything when he want give me not the important. Now make I see my brother show go well. Because not until we put this thing for people mind, they're not gonna know say we go feed do them. I don't perform with Clint the drunk and I go save. They give me kudos. I don't perform with Osama. They give me kudos. So I believe say yes, we go fit deliver. But now make everybody.
This song we need to replay them. People for film.
Our only comedian first lady. I they owe you one comedy skit, but we never see chance to hear am.
Who be that?
They'll give you an award. You know, use a man back or not call for king. Easy to be king.
Who give them award? Aproko. Congratulations to all the winners. If you know that. Congratulations to all the winners.
EU loaded. EU loaded. And hear this EU.
If you call them for help, whether them not know you or not, them go, why are you? I be victim. Really, it doesn't go this where you know the day, bros.
EU loaded. Even man, you say for like 1 month now, don't they follow now? Over on be another casino for inside this industry. I appreciate everybody because now anyway you go take contribute. Now you go contribute, you understand? So I know if you can sit down now, one comedian will use the phone to do comedy skits. Me and you will call the drag. When I know say yes, if you even see my face as a comedian, you never start to the laugh.
Local wife there for the beauty first lady.
Now we are our only female comedian now, bros. We the film make deaf and dumb laugh. If we come out there, they go deaf again. Not be lying now. Now for Lagos, you dey see person in the hurry just for you to know say na toilet the hurry to go.
Oh, hear this song. Oh, hear this song. My people make una enjoy. Uhe, uhe, uhe.
Let's go there.
I'm close to the beat.
Pussy.
Thank God.
I'll be there for pussy. I'm gonna do anything for pussy. Without pussy.
No, I see get money.
Without pussy. No comedy.
No point.
No entertainment. Pussy.
That is pussy one.
Oh, wow.
I just you.
Pussy.
Local wife, we need to do one comedy skit, man. At this lockdown, man. Fuck this lockdown.
Pussy. I love pussy. I suck pussy.
You loaded.
Pussy is better off than any other food. Oh,
pussy, oh, pussy.
Wait, bros. MC Jeffrey say pussy is better off than many other food. Pussy is pussy a food? I don't understand.
My brother, pussy na letter.
Tell you.
Not be lie, yo.
You fit chop up a lepu.
You whether you fit chop am now food
It's
when
a
it be
hungry,
you know the belleful person, but it dey sweet.
I will tell you.
Wallahi, that be smart,
I
bro.
beg, Gabby, I beg, I won't give all EU entertainer, I won't give them one very simple advice. I mean, you won't pay me money for the advice.
No.
Anybody will want drop album now, make it drop your album because me and J Money don't know what the one will want to come up now, so that may no silence the album. Made do the album now because you know, say when pussy come out today, head not carry him, don't jazzy carry him. But this one we want come out, they maybe na Buhari go congratulate us.
Oh God!
So I just want people just cool.
Now, bro, say any song will come out now for this industry when you go far, all of us go carry on. Whether you work, you know, work on that noise, you only that noise to bust up everywhere. You understand? Because that don't just carry pussy why? Because you know, say if you drop around for a page, it go carry many views. People go like her.
Now today, bro, man, tell you one thing. The way I don't try push myself reach for this comedy industry. I get comedy skits when I do. You understand? Me, I like the skits. I can't send and give Tunde Edmond. I call back and say, Baba, beg me post this content. You know, he can't tell me say, "Might give him 200K." Bro, the 200K, believe in me, I not reason. I just look as a bros. Might touch you 150K. He said, okay, I will send you account. Later, he not send me he not send me account. He can't tell me, say no. Say enough, he post the video. Now, say, okay, no problem. But you're surprised one morning, now somebody, one of my guys, you're coming from Nigeria, I say, oh, boss, where you for go sing that music? Tunde had not just post you. So I can't reason and say, man, sometimes in life, if grace of all these things won't come, man, I believe on what thing you do. Like all those ones say, we they get beef, we they quarrel, and no man.
No
Why
man.
we no quarrel? Why we no that? Me and you never craze give each other for this live video.
Beef they make industry they grow.
Like for this season now, bro. Me and Titi, why would they play for ordinary ground, but we not they play online.
Yes, my people. Okay, I'm not back. Today na phone I can't catch for you. But now we go bring our brother home. Osiba, don't you deal with us since. Osiba just dropped the song today and he call it Thank Papa. So let's enjoy Thank Papa Osiba as we bring him on. Yeah.